Welcome to Kotlin Bootcamp for programmers. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to download and install Java Development Kit or JDK. First of all, you have to check whether you have downloaded or you have the latest version of your JDK or not. For Windows machine, you have to check in the command prompt Java C dash version. So right now I don't have the latest, or I don't have installed the Java development kits. So if it is already installed, so I would not get this error, is not recognized. So how now? But for downloading the JDK, you have to go to this link, oracle.com, and you have to download the JDK. So this is the link I have here. So you have to go JDK, downloads this folder, and also you have to choose which version or which machine you are using. If you are using Linux operating system, you have to choose Linux, which distribute you are using. So I'm using Windows machines, and it is x64 installer. So I'm going to download this one. So let's do download, and I check this check mark and start the downloading this. So after the download is finished, you have to go and check. So I already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download it again. So I have here. So for installing this, you have to install this. Click on JDK 15 Windows, and let's see, we will have some pop-ups to download the latest version of JDK. So it takes some times. So it is showing us, do you agree? So yes, we will allow our PC to run Java. So next, and wait for a few minutes. So it will automatically install for us the Java development kits. So for installing Java or JDK or JRE, so JDK is Java development kit, and JRE is Java runtime environments. They are necessary to run your Kotlin programs. So to install the IntelliJ IDE or to run your Java code or your Kotlin code, you have to download the JDK, because just wait a few seconds, so it will download, it will install for us. So after install is finished, so we have to add the JDK installation directory to our Windows path. So it is only in Windows to know the Windows that we have to tell Windows we have installed the JDK. So for that, go to CMD or Java C version. So still we don't have anything, so error invalid flag. So right now it is showing us but Java C version, sorry for that, it was 0. So now we already installed that. So right now the Java knew that we have installed that JDK. So if it is not showing for you, you have to go to CMD and edit environment variable. So here you have to add new, you have to choose the path, so edit path, and you have to add a new path for your JDK. So what is the path for that? Go to the CMD, go to your PC, Windows, and here you have program file, Java, and you have JDK 15 and bin folder. So just copy this one, this path, and add that path to your environment. So where was that environment? You have to edit environment. So you have to go this part and edit. You have to add new. You can paste it here like this right now. So your computer know that you have Java, you have JDK, and your Windows machine can run Java programming. So let's say Java C and Java C version. So now we have the latest version of the JDK. So if you don't have the latest version of JDK, I highly recommend you to install the latest version of JDK and pursue and continue with that. So this was for this video, and see you soon on the next video, and we will install the IntelliJ IDE for you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.